Joining us next, we have the Director of the Gloucester County Library System, Ann Wobnick, and Head of Reference and Digital Services, Ralph Bingham. They're here to tell us about an exciting new addition to Rowan College at Gloucester County's campus. Thank you both so much for joining me today.
Thank you so much for having us. It really is a wonderful opportunity to spread the news about the InnovationStudio.
Now, traditionally, most people think of books when they think of libraries, but the Gloucester County Library System doesn't stop with the written word. Can you tell us a little bit about some of the unique programs that patrons can find at Gloucester County Libraries?
Sure. Our libraries are community centers that offer educational and fun programs to all. We're especially proud of our STEM and STEAM programming, and that takes place at our Mullica Hill branch, where we have our Maker Studio, a Design Studio, and a Digital Services Studio. And we also have a Creativity Studio at our Glassboro branch. So we're really proud of what we offer.
The Gloucester County Library System has really become a leader in establishing these maker spaces. Can you tell us a little bit about what these spaces are designed for and why you think they're so important?
They're really designed as collaborative learning spaces, and I think it's important because they speak to the mission of the county library, which is to provide welcoming spaces where people can learn, create, and have fun.
And how did your experience in establishing these maker spaces lead to partnering with RCGC on the creation of an innovation studio?
Well, I have to credit the vision of Dr. Keating, I have to say. We had a brief conversation at a meeting, and that led to a further discussion about how we could bring an innovation studio to the RCGC campus, and we're just thrilled that we were able to do that.
Now, Ralph, where on RCGC's campus is the Innovation Studio located?
The Innovation Studio is located in the Learning Commons building, right near the library and the Academic Support Center.
Can you tell us a little bit about the equipment that's available there and the type of projects it can be used to create?
Well, there's quite a long list of equipment, so I'll try to be brief. We have a laser cutter engraver, which allows people to come in and to cut shapes out of wood, plastic, be able to engrave on those materials, metal and glass as well. We have 2 3D printers. That allows people to print objects out of plastic. Both of those machines require a certification class, so we do train people to use this equipment. We also have a poster printer, a large format printer, which has been popular, a vinyl cutting machine, which allows students to come in and make decals to decorate their laptops and put on their car rear window and things like that. That's been very popular. Our virtual reality headset has been also a very popular thing. We offer that to give people the ability to see this type of technology. It's something that's fairly expensive. So we have software that works in conjunction with that, so it's educational and fun. We have audio and video recording equipment. And we've been working with a computer graphic arts class, having them come in and use the audio equipment to create podcasts, which they'll learn to edit, and also videos. And really, I guess, last but not least would be our button maker, which has been very popular among the student groups, and especially student government.
Now, I'm sure you've already seen a number of creative projects accomplished at the Innovation Studio. Could you tell us about a few of them that stick with you?
Yeah, really part of what we do that's really important is getting people to collaborate together. As Ann mentioned, the space is all about collaboration. So we have seen students come in and just use the comfortable seating in the Innovation Studio to study as a group. We have portable whiteboards available for them to come in and work together on whatever they're working on. Calculus has been a very popular topic recently. We have engineering students coming in and using the laser cutter to do some prototyping. I have a homeschool student who's been in working on a science fair project, so we're open to the public as well. I'm trying to think what else. And also just entertainment. We have a student that's been coming in and making pieces for a board game on our 3D printer. So it's all different types of projects. And we hope to do more partnering, especially with the faculty, with their classes. So having the classes come in and do 3D printing and laser cutting and things like that.
Now, you mentioned that the Innovation Studio is also available to the community. What ages are welcome there? And
really, all of our maker spaces have the same policies. So in order for someone to come in and use the space independently, it would really be 13 and older. Between the ages of 13 and 18, they would need a parental permission to use the space, and we would prefer, that their parent or guardian would come in as well with them. But really, anybody would come in and sign an agreement. We don't limit to people with just a library card or just college students or anything like that. Yeah.
And how can people find out more information about everything you have available there?
Well, they should go to our website, www.gcls.org/InnovationStudio, and they'll be able to see a list of our programs, our policies, and get our phone number and email address.
Well, it sounds like a tremendous resource for Rowan College at Gloucester County students and the community at large. Thank you both so much for stopping by to tell us about it.
You're welcome.